Okay guys, so I'm about to open something that I bought on eBay and see if it works out to be as good as I hope. So I'm just gonna cut this envelope open. Let's see. I don't know, I'm decided to cut the envelope open instead of just ripping it open. Maybe I could reuse the envelope. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. How cute. So I bought this phone wallet on eBay. It was $3.49, which should fit my phone, an Alcatel phone, and it was only $3. Now it came from, let me see, Maryland, I believe. Oh, I've been waiting for this. Let's see what it looks like. Just gonna cut it open with the scissors. Some plastic wrap. This is way better than what I thought would come. I actually like it a lot. Let's see. The floral design. Phone wallet. Feels like good material. It's very sturdy. $3. Brand new. Let's see. Has a... Oh, look at this. Here, I'll show you. Oh, I guess you slide your phone in there. How cute is that? Oh, I think that's a sticker that you can, and an extra one you can stick your phone to there and make it stay. I have been waiting to get a phone wallet for a while. The screen protector on there, and now I'll have a phone case wallet. $3. Magnetic closure. That was a really good deal. And I like it a lot. I'm very pleased with this. Nice. eBay, a lot of good stuff on there. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys.